What's up guys and welcome back to another episode of CP Customs Budget Builds. In today's episode we are going to mount a new license plate holder, do the last fabrication work on the frame, disassembly a lot of stuff, set the frame to powder coating, get everything back together and yeah, some other things as well. So make sure you're not gonna miss this, stay tuned. Let me show you something. My mood is not the best because I bought a new part which looked really cool. I'm talking about the license plate holder. As you can see here, I try to mount it on the bike and it's, on the first look, it's kind of cool. It has a nice shape, the black matte powder coating, so everything is fine. And for sure it will look good on the bike, but the fitment of this part is just terrible. I mean, terrible. So this is from Studio Fiber, handmade, made in Italy. So I guess everyone is handmade. Maybe the constructor, fabricator had a bad day. I don't know, but this is really not good because first of all we are talking about the fitment here on that screw. So I am supposed to put a big screw through here and then into the brake caliper. And yeah, so first of all there is no screw coming with the kit, which is a pity because I thought it would come with it, so I need a way longer screw. Okay, that's not the biggest problem. The problem starts here. So we have to put or remove the screws, then put the holder on here and then put the screws back in here. But the problem is if you put the screws inside and put back the brake disc, if the screws are now, I guess you can't see it, but if the screws are now in with the holder, the screws hits against the brake disc. I cannot rotate the brake disc anymore. In fact, we cannot move the wheel. So it is not good. So what is the solution here? I have to order some new screws, big screw here. And I'm going to use two counter skunk screws. I don't know the correct name. I think it's this screw, just longer to fit yeah, all the way through. And then I think we should be able to create yeah, enough space for the brake disc so we can mount everything, and then it will look good. But yeah, guys, this is dear company Studio Fiber. This is not plug and play. Not plug and play. Not what I consider as plug and play. But okay, it's a coffee racer build. It is yeah, a lot of DIY things to do, and sometimes you hit up with problems or you meet problems like this. So yeah, find a solution. It's not a really bad thing, but I thought it's I don't know, 10 minutes job to mount that, but it's going to be a bit yeah, longer. But okay, it is what it is. So yeah, let's continue with work.
3 days later.
Now we got the right screws, so let's fix this problem here. ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this. It is complete. So now we have enough clearance between the braking disc and the screws. Everything is fit, everything is tight, and it just looks amazing. I mean, it was not a quick job, but still, I like this license salt plater and I can recommend it because the look and the thickness of the steel and everything, it just looks really, really good. But remember, it could be not plug and play. You could have to do some modifying jobs, but as you can see, it's possible. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here, our bike, and it looks, yeah, kind of bike again, but we still have a lot of work to do. One big step missing is we need to paint the frame. And to do that, it must be like complete, and therefore I have some new lights or new rear lights that needs to get bolt on the frame, but therefore I need some brackets and holders for the new frame, and yeah, that's basically the next step to weld the brackets for the rear lights on the frame. Then get rid of all the unnecessary stuff on the frame we don't need anymore, like holders, brackets and all the stuff. And then I'm going either paint or send it to yeah, to get powder coated. I'm not quite sure of that, but I think we're going with powder coat. And yeah, let's go. Ah, come on, focus. Gibt's doch nicht, ey. Oh, take a look at this. The first thing shining on the bike. Yeah, holders are welded on the frame, and I have to admit my welding skills are still bad as, you know, but okay, I'm still learning. Going to get better, I promise. But take a look at this. Nice, really, really nice. I like the look. I like how the back is looking. Yeah, so overall, still good job. Move on. What a beautiful day. So guys, let me show you the result. Just needed some fresh air and voila! Check this out. So this is the frame upside down here on the table. This is the front end gone. This is the rest of the bike. Yeah, looks a bit concerning because it looked way more like a bike, you know, 20 minutes ago, but it is what it is because we need to modify that frame. So it is not really a big deal. It's just cutting off things we don't need anymore, like something like this here, or maybe that, or yeah, some other things. Yeah, I'm going to send that to my buddy, to the powder coating company, who also powder coat the wheels, the rims, and some other stuff as well. So glossy black as well as all the other parts. And yeah, first of all, just I need to prepare it a little bit. take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is the fresh powder coated frame and it looks amazing. Damn, what a great job. What a good decision to do this. And probably it's not that effect on camera, but trust me, in real this is amazing. The before and after is just incredible. So I'm pretty excited to mount this new frame on the bike, and yeah, that's basically the last big step. Now it's done and I can put this finally on the bike and start reassembling all the other good stuff. So let's go. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. It is the new painted powder coated frame and it looks amazing. So it's not really a lot of work to mount it on the drivetrain. I did not torque the screws to proper specs because I may have to remove the frame in a further step if I'm going into the electric. So I'm just gonna mount it yeah, temporarily, and maybe I'm going to remove it in the later episode, but for now I'm pretty confident, pretty happy. So this is a big step done for the frame because of the fabrication work we did here. Yeah, so not the best welding skills, but with a plenty amount of time I managed to do it, and it looks really, really good. Yeah, that's basically the frame with the new license plate holder. They are really looking good. And yeah, now I'm able to do some more steps in the next episodes. For example, I'm able to mount the new exhaust system because it is mounted on the frame, and I can check if everything fits. And yeah, crazy stuff like that. So very, very good result. And yeah, we are moving forward to a complete and finish coffee racer project. So ladies and gentlemen, that was it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. For the next episodes, as I told you, probably exhaust system and some other stuff. Yeah, a lot of fun left, so make sure you're not gonna miss the next and probably not that many left episodes for that build. And yeah, stay happy, stay healthy, goodbye, peace.
Make the ground shake.